Hello, this is LaDon Buff with Severna Sew and Vac. Today we're looking at a Necchi sewing machine. We're an authorized Necchi dealer. We have Necchi sewing machines in stock ready for sale. If there's a specific model Necchi you're looking for, chances are we have it. If we don't have it, then we can order it in for you from our warehouse. We have several of the more popular models like the NE30, which is a great value in a sewing machine. The Necchi line is an old Italian label that has been manufactured by Janome for the last 40 years. They were imported by Allen International, but Allen International went out of business, so Janome bought the label, and they continue to make machines with the Necchi label on it. Some of them very similar to their current offerings, and some of them completely different, just to fill specific categories. So if you need a Necchi sewing machine, or you want to take a look at a Necchi sewing machine, come on down and visit us at 550 Baltimore Annapolis Blvd in Severna Park. We're also an authorized Janome dealer, so we have those models in stock as well. And we are an outlet store for Janome, so you can get outlet pricing on a lot of our products. Thank you for watching, and come visit us at 550 Baltimore Annapolis Boulevard. Our phone number is 410-975-0058, and you can reach us on the internet at www.sewvac.com.